In the figure below, some of the measures of angles are labeled. Find the value of x. So we have a picture here, and we know four of the angles in the picture: this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle, and we need to find the value of x. Now, note A, B, C, X, W is a pentagon. It has 5 sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we know most of the angles of the pentagon. We can find this angle. This is going to be 180 minus 77, which is going to be 103. Oh, 3. And this angle is going to be 360 degree minus 110, which is going to be 250. Now take a look at this pentagon. We know 1, 2, 3, 4. We know 4 of the interior angles of a pentagon. We can easily find the 5th one because we can find the sum of the 5 angles of a pentagon very easily. So let's work on the solution. So that's going to be our strategy. So it's really the same picture. It's slightly smaller. And on the last slide, we found this angle, which was 103. Let's label it once again here. 103. And we also found this angle, which was 360 degree minus 110, which turned out to be 250. Now, this, we know there is a formula for finding the sum of all angles of any polygon. We have a pentagon, so the number of sides is 5, and the formula is n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides of any polygon. So here n has to be 5, so we replace n with 5, and we get 5 minus 2 turns out to be 3. 3 times 180, we get 540. So that tells us that sum of all the five of these angles, this plus this plus this plus this plus this, has to be 540. So we set up our equation like this. We know 4 of these angles: 60, 250, 73, 103. 103 comes from here, 250 comes from here, and 60 right here, 73 right here. And if we add all these 4 numbers, we get 486. If we subtract 46 from both sides, we get 54. So angle X has to be 54. That's our answer.